Hello guys, welcome to the video. As this is my first video, I will be doing a challenge from tryhackme.com. Tryhackme.com is an online platform where you can learn about cybersecurity and enhance your skills on penetration testing. Okay, let's get started. Let's go to the activities to find out the machines. And there are different categories of machine. I am going to take free only. And for difficulty level, I will be going with hard. The first machine name is Daily Bugle. Okay, Daily Bugle. Let me create a directory with same name for easy management purpose. Okay, in this challenge, I will have to compromise the Joomla CMS account via SQLi. Okay, let's deploy the machine. Deploy. Okay, machine has been started. I've got the IP address. Let me do a ping request to check. Okay, I'm getting replies. Okay, and map scan to check the available ports. Since this is a Joomla CMS, port 80 must be open. Still confirming it with ANSI. Okay, it's open. Let me browse it. Okay, there's a login from here. Spider-Man robs bank. Who robbed the bank? That is our not so friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. For the next second task, I'll have to obtain root user credentials and what is the Joomla version. To detect the Joomla version, I will be using ZoomScan. If you do not have ZoomScan already installed in your machine, you can install it using this command on screen. I already have ZoomScan, so let me start ZoomScan. Okay, ZoomScan -u and the target URL or IP. Okay, until ZoomScan is running, let me do some basic login in this login form with admin user and admin password. I don't know if this will work or not, but still. Okay, did not match. Here it has already detected the Joomla version. Let's do a search exploit scan to find out any vulnerabilities present in this version. Okay, we have SQL injection and cross-site scripting, and according to our challenge, we are to compromise this CMS with SQLi. SQL injection, and the Joomla version is same. Okay, now let's detail about this vulnerability. Joomla version, the CV number, and the exploit with SQL map. Let's try this. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay, copy selection. Let me add my URL. I hope all this parameter works because I am just blindly using it. I'm not even taking a look at it. Okay, this must be working. Let's just give -- batch. Okay, let me go back to my challenge. Okay, instead of using SQL map, why not use Python script? Okay, so this has suggested me to use Python script. Let's search for the CV number once again. And then I'll search for Python exploit for the CV, for the particular CV. Okay, CV copied. And pasted. I will only be searching in GitHub, okay, for Python. I'm not going with this first result as it asks for APIs, so I will be going with this one right here. Scroll down. Okay, here we have Joomla. Exploit for Joomla 3.7.0, CVE number, it's also same. Let me export it to raw and download it on my machine. Okay, cd to my directory and download. Now it's been downloaded. Let me just run this script. Okay, too few argument. Yes, I will have to provide the URL. Okay, let me remove this extra dot. Unrecognized argument. Okay, silly mistake. I literally gave the word URL. Okay, no schema supplied. Perhaps you meant. Yes, I'll have to give full URL. Let me add HTTP in front of this. I hope this will work now. Let us go back to check if SQL map has given any results or not. Okay, it is still working. Here it has already found the table and it is also extracting user from the table. Okay, we've got the username, email address and the hashed password. Let me copy this selection and okay, user is Jonna. Let me go back to my challenge dashboard. What is Jonna's crack password? Okay, so I need to crack this hash password now. Let me create a file. And to crack this password, I will be using John. And I already have created a word list, a custom word list. And it is in this path /usr share a word list and word list .txt file. Okay, command not found. Let me try it with sudo. Okay, it's working. Okay, we've got our password, which is Spiderman123. Okay, now I'll have to find the user flag and root flag. Let me try to SSH. First, let me check if SSH port is open or not. Okay, SSH port is open, but port 80 is not showing here. So let me run the nmap scan again and try to SSH to the system. Okay, my password is copied, yes, and pasted. Okay, it didn't work. So let me try this logins on this login here, admin and same password. Okay, did not match. Maybe this is the login of Joomla admin login. So let's try with that. Okay, admin and password. This didn't match. Okay, administrator. Password. This even didn't work. Maybe I'll try with the user Jonna. Experiment 1, 2, 3, Jonh. Okay. Close them both here. Okay, we've logged in to the control panel. Okay, we've logged into the control panel, admin control panel. And in Joomla, from extensions and template option, I will be able to create or upload a PHP script. So I'll be doing that. But before that, I will have to copy my PHP script. Kali Linux provides some PHP scripts which can be used as backdoors. Those are at this path /usr/share/webshell/php, and here are the scripts. So let me copy one of this script and take back to my working directory. Okay, let me check the IP address. ifconfig not working. ifconfig should be used with sudo, or you can also use IPA. Both of them give the same result. So I've copied my IP address. Shell.php. All of these comments right here, it just bothers me, so let me just remove them. So I'm just removing them, and let me paste the IP address that I had copied. This is my machine's IP address. Let's leave the port same. Okay, I'll be listening to 1, 2, 3, 4 ports. Shell.php. Let me just copy this PHP script and paste it in to our dashboard. Okay, there are 2 templates. Let me go with this second one. Okay, new file. File name shell, and file type will be PHP, of course. Okay, creating a directory. Creating a file. The file has been successfully created. Let me paste the script here. Okay, everything seems fine. Okay, let's save this. Okay, the file has been successfully saved. Now let's request for this file from our browser, but before that I will have to know the path of this file. So let's check that. Joomla. Joomla theme, locations. Oh, it's at domain name, template, and name of my template. Okay, /template, and name of my template, which shell.php. Let's see if any request pops up here. No, it didn't work. Okay, let me try again. Star shell.php. Okay, so I have got the shell and I am Apache. Let me go to this directory. Okay, while doing ls, I have all the privilege here. Okay, in this configuration.php file, we have all the credentials that is used to connect to the database, and the user is root. The password, it's shown in the screen. Let's try to SSH using the password. SSH Jana, and what is the IP address? 101. Okay. Password. Okay, this didn't work. Yeah, I got locked out. Okay. Let me check all the usernames. Okay, there's no user Jonna, but here it is J Jameson. So let's try to log in with J Jameson. Let me grab the password again. Grab password from the file html configuration.php. Okay, I got the password. Logged in. Nice. So let's check what privilege do I have. Do this user have? So it has sudo access for yum. Since this is a normal user and I will have to be a root user, I'll have to do some privilege escalation here. So I'm going to GTFO beans. GTFO beans provides some exploit that can be used to bypass the privilege restriction. Let's get this piece of code for yum and copy it here. Voila, I am root user now. Can you see the hash in front of the cat there? Okay, I've got the root flag, user flag, and here I have the root flag. And who am I? I'm root. And this challenge is done. Well, thank you for listening to me. Bye for now.